What's up, bud? Good, man. So how you slip this on, you gotta slip the belt over the fan, get over the fan, get on this side, the inside of the engine. Usually don't get lucky, usually don't have this on there. That makes it a lot easier. So yeah, we're going around here, underneath the pulley. Looks like over the air compressor, under that water pump, then up around the tensioner, and then back down under the bottom and up to the alternator again. That, it goes like that, then it goes under. Have to like maneuver it through this hole to get it where you want it to be. I'm gonna go look at that map. Yeah, push the cheek up through there. That's what it's gonna look like. And then the rest of it, the slack comes down here. It goes there. So loosely. That's what it's going to look like over here. We'll go to the other side. So it's got this tensioner too. Interesting. So it's good. Started getting a little tight. So that's good. I'm going to leave it off this one. I'm gonna do the tensioner. I'm gonna have him, the driver, pull. He's gonna have to slip that up. But this should give me enough slack to get it down over this main one. Maybe. Okay, we looking good.
Does it turn towards me or turn towards you?
So it's the double tensioner. You got one on this side, one on this side. You gotta get up there, so you gotta actually pry it down. This is, the pressure on this is so great that it's not just gonna pop out. So now I have to, before I was prying it right here with the belt off, now I gotta pry it so I don't mess up any of the belts, pull it off, and then let it, I'm actually gonna be using this as to let the pressure go. That's what I was trying to say, flat side. Anytime you got the silver, the flat side of the pulley goes on that, and then the rib part.
So ready to crank?
No, I want to make sure that that's on there. The pulley looks. It looked all right. Yeah, let's crank it up. All right, good. You can kill it. Okay, so to recap, I had to put this in there, pry it up, get my socket in there, and actually pry that down, and then do the reverse to get it back on. But, okay, just wanted to go over a little recap on this since I was kind of rushed in there. But basically what I was trying to explain is you actually have to pry that secondary, that rear tensioner down, and then you actually have to get an extension, not a socket, an extension, a 1/2 inch, and you put that extension in there, and then then you get your 1/2 inch ratchet wrench, and then you can loosen it the rest of the way. Get your belt on, get good to go, tighten it up, make sure it's all good, and man, you can replace your own belt if you really wanted to. All right, we out.